So you're thinking about moving to Jacksonville, Florida, and you really are on a budget. You're trying to stay under $325,000 for a brand new home, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, including the lot and everything. Well, I've got that for you today. We are up at Hawkes Meadow. It's a KB home community in the northwest part of Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to take you through a beautiful model home right here, which has a quick move-in available. You won't believe the price. And I'm also going to take you on another quick move-in home, which it's going to be a little bit more money. It's going to be still in the $300,000 range, but that one's going to be over 2,500 square feet, 4-bedroom home with a den. They have lots in here that are preserve lots as well as pond lots. The HOA in this community is only $46 a month, and there is no CDD. And you won't believe how closely this is located to many, many points of interest and important employers here in Jacksonville. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Now we're going to get rolling with our tour of this 1707 floor plan. They named the floor plans after the number of square feet, so it's 1,707 square feet. Let's take a look. Of course, you got this nice hardy board siding on here. They've got gutters. Very nice entrance. The overhang. Got your smart doorbell system there. This one has vinyl plank flooring in it. And we are going to take a turn to the left here. This will be bedroom number 1. And I wanted to mention this glass in all of the windows is called low E as in Edward glass, and that keeps your house cooler and more energy efficient, keeps the heat out of your home. This is bedroom number 1. Got a nice tub shower combination. They have Moen plumbing fixtures and Kohler sinks. This is bedroom number 2. They've got this set up as a nursery. We're going to go across the hallway now. This is the entrance out to your 2-car garage. This is a flex room, but this could also very easily be built as a 4th or a 3rd bedroom. We're counting bedrooms, so if we were counting bedrooms and this was a bedroom, this would be bedroom number 3. This is the laundry room. It's got very nice wire shelves in there. That's where your air handler is. They have a carrier system. There's your pantry. Beautiful kitchen with white shaker cabinets. Beautiful stone countertops on the island. Lots of cabinets below. Tiled backsplash. Of course, you have this elevated, nice high ceilings in here. Nice place here for dining. Got your main living area here. course, that's your patio area there, and that can be enclosed, screened in. Another closet. And here we are at the primary bedroom. Looking out onto your backyard on this beautiful pond. Here we are in the primary bathroom. There's your walk-in closet. Your water closet there. And dual sinks. Walk-in shower that's tiled. Very generous linen closet. Real quick, let's take a minute and talk about why Hawkes Meadow is such a great location and a great value for you. Number one, it's only 13 minutes from a beautiful park, the Cary State Forest. It's only 13 minutes from Jacksonville International Airport and the Jacksonville Zoo. It's only 20 minutes from downtown Jacksonville and where the Jaguars play, of course, at the stadium. It's only 20 minutes from the shops of Avondale, and it's only 24 minutes from Naval Air Station Jacksonville. All right, I promised you I'd let you know how much the 1707 quick move-in can be purchased for. You can get one of those for $315,000. Yes, $315,000, and that's including the lot. Ready to go. This next home, this one behind me here, we're going to go a little bit larger. This is this can be built as a 4 or 5 bedroom home. Comes 2.5 bath, but it could be built with 3 full baths. It also has an option of a loft area if you wanted to do that as well. This one's called the 2566 plan. It's 2,566 square feet. Let's take a look inside. Okay, before we go inside, I did want to share with you that they do build all of the homes in here on 50-foot lots. You know, I talk about quick move-ins a lot, but if you wanted to pick a lot, pick a plan, pick the finishes, personalize the home, structural things, you can definitely do that still here in Hawkes Meadow. Let's take a look inside. So here you have an 8-foot door opening. This one's got 9-foot ceilings. Of course, this home is still being finished, but it doesn't have a lot more to go, trust me. So this is a den, and we are here on the first floor. Now this could be built as a bedroom with, instead of a powder room, you'd have a full bathroom with this ensuite. Here we have a huge open living area here. Of course, they've added all of these can lights already for you. Okay, and of course, I know that you can see that this is Formica. Is Formica standard in all the homes? No, Formica is not standard in all the homes. Some of the homes will have it, but you definitely have 4 different grades of quartz you can choose from if you wanted to choose your own finishes. Got really nice white shaker cabinets. This one's got a huge backyard. And yes, that is a preserve area back there. This goes out to your 2-car garage. Under the stairs storage. I'll meet you upstairs. And now we're upstairs, and pardon the perspiration, but there's no air conditioning running in here right now. And this home is still under construction, but I wanted you to see it. So we come upstairs, and of course we have this hallway. To your left, this is bedroom number 1. This bedroom could actually be built as a loft. So this would be all loft area. Once you come up the stairs, you hang a left, you'd have a loft area. Of course, no closet, no wall over there. That's a structural change that you could do. Here we have the primary bedroom, which is quite large. Looking out onto your preserve backyard. Nice windows, lots of natural light. Here's your very large primary closet. And the primary bathroom with dual sinks and a walk-in shower. So this is continuing on the hallway, up the hallway here. Carrier air handler. And a linen closet. This is your second full bathroom with dual sinks and a tub shower combination. This is your laundry room, because nobody wants to bring laundry upstairs, right? Here's bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Hawkes Meadow community by KB Home here in the northwest part of Jacksonville, Florida. They have some incredibly affordable new construction options here for you. They do have very attractive, through their lender of course, fixed rate and variable rate financing available for you, as well as assistance with closing costs. If you have any questions, my contact information is in the comments as well as the description, and even up on the screen. We'll put it up there for you too. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be the one that reaches back out to you. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.